Hi foodies, did you know that hummus does not have to be chickpeas? You can use any beans. Today I'm being lazy and I'm using canned beans that don't have any salt added or any other ingredients. I just made a black bean hummus and I made this one Mexican flavored. I put a bunch of Mexican flavors and cayenne pepper, hatch chili pepper, chipotle, and I filled it with lots of flavor bomb and a garlic blend, which is one of my favorite spices to use, just any garlic blend that does not have any sodium to it. And then I topped some tortillas or corn tortillas with tomatoes and cucumbers and green onions. Now I'm going to make a northern bean one, which is going to be a can of northern beans. It's going to be almost like a white bean hummus. So I don't even like calling them hummus. I just like calling them spreads. So any bean, any flavor. This one I'm going to flavor as though it was Mediterranean flavor. So I have some Mediterranean spices that are very dill forward and garlic forward. They all do not contain any sodium whatsoever. Refrain from using sodium because you can always resort to, right before eating it, sprinkle it with a little bit of sodium rather than do it in your recipe. So there's no need to put it in it. Just put it on as a little sprinkle at the end when you're going to eat it, if it needs it. First taste it. You might not even need it and you might surprise yourself. Plus, as we get cleaner in whole foods and plant-based lifestyle and no sodium and no added ingredients, our tongues get very sensitive to sodium. So I'm going to put 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast because it adds a great umami to all spreads. And then I'm just going to buzz it like I would a hummus until it's nice and creamy, and then I'm going to put it into my glass storage container, and I'm going to have some very quick dips, spreads, hummus, bean hummus, black bean hummus that I can put on bread, that I can put on tortillas, that I can put on any vehicle to eat. So here we go. And my spatula is still dirty from my black bean, but who cares, right? Here is my white bean hummus, and then I'm just going to taste it to see if I need to adjust. I might add more dill. I think I need a little bit more flavor of Mediterranean-y. I think I'm going to add more of my garlic blend, and we love dill around here, so I'm going to make it pretty dill forward. I could also add a tiny bit of lemon, but I'm just going to leave it as is. So go into that pantry of yours, pull out cans of beans, and start making quick spreads that you can keep as food prep in your fridge to make quick meals from. Bye foodies. Hope you're having a happy day.